Is chia pudding healthy? Some surprising facts. Hello fast vegans. In today's video, we'll discuss chia pudding, a popular and delicious snack that's taken the world by storm. But is chia pudding actually healthy? We'll explore some surprising facts about chia pudding and its nutritional benefits. Let's get started. 1. Packed with nutrients. Chia pudding is made from chia seeds, which are packed with nutrients. According to a study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. When combined with a plant-based milk like almond or coconut milk, chia pudding becomes a nutrient-dense snack or breakfast option. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. 2. Heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. As stated by the Harvard School of Public Health, omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. 3. Supports healthy digestion. Thanks to their high fiber content, chia seeds promote healthy digestion. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming chia seeds can help regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and maintain a healthy gut microbiome. 4. Customizable and versatile. One of the great things about chia pudding is its versatility. You can easily customize chia pudding with various plant-based milks, sweeteners, and toppings. Add fruits, nuts, or spices to create a delicious and satisfying meal or snack that aligns with your dietary preferences and needs. 5. Mind your portions. While chia pudding is a healthy option, it's essential to be mindful of portion sizes. Chia seeds are calorie-dense, and consuming too much can lead to excessive calorie intake. Stick to a reasonable serving size, such as 3 to 4 tablespoons of chia seeds per pudding serving. In conclusion, chia pudding is a healthy and delicious choice when enjoyed in moderation. It's packed with nutrients, heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and supports healthy digestion. Plus, you can customize chia pudding to suit your tastes and nutritional needs. Enjoy this nutritious snack as part of your plant-based diet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Fast Vegan for more tips and information on plant-based living. Until next time.